What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about the fastest way to get BPI credit card. So paano nga ba magkaroon ng credit card sa BPI in a fastest way or pinakamabilis na paraan? Yung tipong pagkaka-apply mo palang approve ka agad. Alam mo yung feeling na ganun? The fastest way to avail BPI credit card. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta na ganun-ganun lang. It is offered by the BPI din. Kaya naman ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo since BPI offered me the fastest way to have BPI credit card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung nakikita nyo na to. Itong sinasabi, congratulations, you can get a BPI credit card in a fastest way possible. Hi Joseph, for select customers like you, we are offering this hassle-free way to get a new BPI signature card. Get more out of your purchases with our exclusive rewards and perks. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, naka-receive ako ng text message from BPI saying na don't miss this offer, Joseph. You can apply for a BPI credit card with no documents needed. Enjoy new perks, offers, and earn rewards points. Apply now in just 3 minutes. Simply log into BPI app or BPI online and tap the inbox envelope icon to start. So as you can see guys here, nakasabi kasi dito is, you can apply for a BPI with no documents needed. So ibig sabihin guys, pre-approved application ito. Which is, alam mo kasi si BPI, kapag may savings account kayo sa kanila, nag-i-evaluate sila every year ng mga clients nila. At inaalam nila kung ito ba si ganito, si ganyan ay qualified na. Tapos, papadalang kayo ng text message na ganito, saying na ito, you can apply for a BPI credit card with no documents needed. Tapos, nakalagay dito sa instruction is apply in just 3 minutes. Simply log into BPI app or BPI online. So kung may BPI online kayo guys, makikita nyo doon yung inbox, may message doon, which is yun yung i-open nyo. Tapos ito nga, nag-login ako guys sa BPI online. Din nakita ko sa inbox, ito nakalagay. Apply now for a BPI signature card with no income documents required. So ganun siya yung pinakamabilis. Kaya naman i-share ko sa inyo yung nasa loob ng message na ito. So pag open ko, clinic ko yung apply now for your credit card. Then ganito yung lumabas. Congratulations, you can get a BPI credit card in a fastest way. Hi Joseph, for select customers like you, we are offering this hassle-free way to get a new BPI signature card. Get more out of your purchases with our exclusive rewards and perks. So as you can see guys here, yung ino-offer nila is yung BPI signature card. Yung, kumbaga sinasabi nila na BPI black card. Pero hindi to yung in-applyan ko guys. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit hindi BPI Visa Signature yung in-applyan ko. I-share ko rin sa inyo. Ito yung ano guys, pagka-click ninyo, since pinapili kayo, click mo yung, i-scroll down mo siya, experience the best of what the world has to offer with the card that complements your signature lifestyle. Since BPI Visa Signature yung ino-offer sa akin. It only takes a few clicks and you will be done in less than 3 minutes. No documents are needed. This is a limited time offer until 15 April 2026. So you get your card now. Tapos, nakalagay din may box. I agree to the bank's data privacy statement. Of course, kailangan nyo i-agree, kailangan nyo i-tap yung box na yan bago kayo makaklik ng Start Now. Then, pagka-click nyo guys, ganito siya lalabas. Apply for a credit card. Select up to 2 cards. So, as you can see, your initial credit limit is 485,000. So, makikita nyo na guys yung initial credit limit. Tapos, up to 2 cards yung pwede nyong piliin. Kasi marami silang ino-offer. BPI Signature, Platinum, Rewards Cards, more cashback, andun lahat. Yan. Nakikita nyo, BPI Signature Card. Your lifestyle card with our signature rewards. Recommended siya. Ngayon, halimbawa kung ito yung gusto nyong piliin, i-click nyo yung box. As you can see, may box siya. Your benefits. 20 pesos spent is equivalent to 2 BPI points. Travel insurance up to 10 million. Cash advance up to 100% of credit limit. Free annual fee for the first year. Then 5,500 onwards. So yung annual fee niya is 5,500 every year. Itong BPI Visa Signature or yung sinasabi ng BPI Signature Card. Then BPI Rewards Card. The sensible card, then learn more. Your benefits is 35 pesos spent equals 1 BPI point. Travel insurance up to 2 million pesos. Cash advance up to 30% of your credit limit. Free annual fee for the first year, 1,550 onwards. So, ito sa BPI Rewards, ito yung mababa yung annual fee lamang, 1,550 lang. Then yan, ito naman si BPI Gold Rewards, the premium card. Your benefits are 35 pesos spent is equals to 1 BPI point. Travel insurance up to 10 million, cash advance up to 100% of your credit limit. Free annual fee for the first year and 2,250 onwards. Then, hindi ko na binasa lahat guys, hindi ko na kasi ang dami-daming offer. So, yung pinili ko lang guys is si BPI Rewards Card, which is yung kulay blue, which is yung 1,550 lang yung annual fee. Nakalagay is, kapag nakapili na kayo, like for example, pinili ko yung blue. So, dediretso kayo dito ngayon. Review delivery and statement details. Delivery address. Your physical cards will be delivered here. So, as you can see, nandiyan yung address ko, permanent, none of the above. So, kaya pag click mo yung none of the above, kailangan nyo gumawa ng panibagong address. Then, statement email. Reserve your credit card statements electronically. So, hindi na sila nagpapadala guys ng mail, yung nakasobre. Lahat yun via email na. Then, click mo lang yung continue kapag nakapili kayo ng delivery address. Then, pagka-click ninyo, of course, kailangan mo ilagay yung address or email address kung saan ipapadala yung statement of account. Then, continue nyo na siya. So, as you can see, guys, BPI Rewards Card yun nandito since ito yung pinili ko. Kasi mahal yung annual fee ng BPI Visa Signature. Hindi ko kakayanin. Are these details are correct? You have 485,000 initial credit card limit. If more than one card is selected, this limit is shared among all cards. So, nais ko malaman ninyo na kapag pinili nyo dalawa, since dalawa yung ino-offer, shared yon yung 485,000 na credit limit. Sa dalawang credit card, pag sinulit ninyo yung isa, mababawasan lahat. Ganun siya. Then, delivery and statement details are delivered to situ, ganyan, yung official address. Tapos, kailangan mo i-click yung box para mag-agree sa terms and conditions. Tapos, makikita nyo, application successful. Thursday, kung kailan kayo nag-apply, tapos yung confirmation. Your physical credit cards will be delivered to your selected address within 5 working days. You can authorize a representative to receive the card on your behalf. Just print and complete this letter. So, halimbawa guys, alam nyo na wala kayo sa address na yon. So, much better na mag-iwan kayo ng authorization letter at saka valid ID para ibigay ni courier sa maiiwan dun sa bahay ninyo yung credit card. Then, you have 485,000 initial credit card limit. If more than one is selected, this limit is shared among all credit cards. Tulad na sabi ko, since isa lang, yung BPI Rewards Card yung pinili ko kasi yung annual fee, baka mahirapan akong bayaran. So, isa lang yun nandito, yung BPI Rewards Card lamang. Then, back to my accounts, tapos na siya. Then, yun, after that, makaka-receive kayo ng email. Sinasabi dito, Credit Card Application Confirmation, BPI Online. Then, there, Joseph, you have successfully completed your credit card application with the following details. Credit card application details, confirmation number, andyan makikita nyo, yung date and time, at saka yung selected cards, kung ano yung in-applyan ninyong credit card. Tapos, delivery address is home. So, nais ko malaman nyo guys na automatic siya nag-reflect sa BPI online banking ko. Yung in-apply kong credit card. Ang bilis talaga niya as in. Pinanindigan talaga nila yung 3 minutes lamang. So, I think that's all for na sa amin na i-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!